That crisp Thai banknote in your pocket didn't start in a printing press. It started as a cotton seed in a golden field. What happens inside Thailand's most secret factory will shock you. From a living plant to an unbreakable note, this is the untold journey of your money. Here, in the Chao Phraya River Delta, the story begins with the soil. Under the warm tropical sun, vast plantations of premium cotton sway gently in the breeze. This isn't just any cotton. It's a special variety chosen by the Bank of Thailand for one reason: exceptional strength. When the cotton bolls ripen and burst open, they reveal pure white fibers that glow like fresh snow against the green leaves. Workers move through the rows at harvest time, their hands carefully picking the raw fiber by hand, just as farmers have done for generations. But this cotton isn't for a soft shirt or a cozy blanket. It is destined to become the foundation of the nation's currency. Every single Thai banknote, from the smallest to the highest denomination, starts its life as a cotton plant. Those long, durable fibers give Thai notes their famous crisp feel and remarkable ability to survive being crumpled in a pocket, left in the sun, or accidentally washed in a pair of jeans. Once harvested, the cotton goes to a ginning facility where it is cleaned, separated from its seeds, and compressed into certified bales. Each bale receives a tag documenting its exact origin, because traceability is everything when you are making something as sensitive as money. From there, the bales travel to a specialized security paper mill that works exclusively for the Bank of Thailand. Here, the cotton is transformed into blank, cream white sheets of paper. But this is no ordinary paper. Even at this stage, security is being woven into the very fibers. Invisible red, yellow, and blue security fibers are added randomly into the pulp, creating a unique fingerprint that cannot be photocopied or scanned. The paper also receives a multi-tonal watermark. When you hold a Thai note up to the light, you see a ghostly portrait of the king and a translucent numeral. Those are not printed on top. They are actually part of the paper itself, formed by varying the thickness of the cotton fibers during production. It is a foundational security feature and one of the hardest in the world to counterfeit. Now the blank, watermarked paper is ready for the heart of Thailand's currency production. Deep inside a maximum security facility in Bangkok, the note printing works is the sole place where all Thai banknotes come to life. It is a sprawling, modern industrial complex surrounded by high walls, armed guards, and layers of access control. Inside, the air is climate controlled and buzzing with the quiet hum of extraordinary machines. When unmarked trucks arrive with their precious cargo of blank paper, technicians in white gloves inspect every single sheet, checking thickness, opacity, and structural integrity against the Bank of Thailand's exacting standards. Only when a sheet passes every test is it allowed to enter the inner sanctum, where the magic truly begins. The first printing stage is called offset printing. Think of it as laying the foundation of a beautiful painting. Massive sheet-fed presses, running at incredible speeds, apply the base background colors to both sides of the sheet simultaneously. For Thai banknotes, these are often warm earth tones, rich browns, tans, and golds that reflect the nation's traditions. This stage prints the intricate, swirling Kanak patterns, those delicate flame-like ornamental motifs that have decorated Thai art and architecture for centuries. At this point, the area where the king's portrait will eventually sit is still just a flat, featureless shape. The background is there, but the soul of the note is missing. That comes next. Enter the intaglio printing press. This is not like a regular printer. Intaglio uses deeply engraved steel plates. Under a powerful raking lamp, you can see every line, every contour of the portrait, the denomination numerals, and the Thai text carved into the hard metal. The press applies a thick, special ink into those grooves, then wipes the plate completely clean, leaving ink only in the recesses. Then, with enormous pressure, the paper is forced into those ink-filled grooves. When the paper pulls away, it pulls the ink out with it, leaving behind a layer of ink that sits on top of the paper. That is why, when you run your fingertip across a Thai banknote, you can actually feel the raised ridges of the portrait and the numerals. It is a tactile masterpiece. For people with visual impairments, those raised tactile marks, small flower-shaped bumps and lines, are a vital tool for identifying different denominations. You can literally feel the value of the note. This intaglio process gives Thai currency its distinctive, luxurious texture and makes counterfeiting incredibly difficult. After the front is printed, the sheets move to a second intaglio press for the reverse side. Here you will find equally intricate engravings, often depicting Thailand's history, famous monuments, and beloved kings. The majestic Ananda Samakom throne hall, the equestrian statue of King Chulalongkorn, all come to life in raised, palpable detail. By the time both sides have been through intaglio, the sheet is already a work of art. But security is layered, not single. So the sheet moves on to advanced features. One of the most fascinating is the windowed color shifting security thread. It is a thin, metallic ribbon embedded into the paper during production, but partially visible on the surface. When you tilt a genuine Thai banknote, that thread changes color, say from magenta to green. On higher denominations, the thread contains micro lenses that create a moving box animation. As you tilt the note, little boxes appear to dance up and down inside the thread. Try to copy that with a home printer. You simply cannot. Nearby, a hologram foil stripe is applied, shimmering with the royal Garuda emblem and switching between Arabic and Thai numerals as you change your viewing angle. Another corner features a patch printed with special optically variable ink. Tilt it, and it changes from gold to green, while a hidden latent numeral, the denomination, magically appears. These are first-line security features anyone can check without any special equipment. But the hidden layers go even deeper. Hold a Thai banknote up to the light. The complex patterns on the front and back align perfectly to form one complete, unbroken design. This is the see-through register, a feature that requires such precise printing that only the note printing works can achieve it. Hidden within the intricate border designs, smaller than a grain of rice, is micro-printed Thai text. You need a magnifying glass to read it, but if the text is sharp and clear, the note is real. If it is blurry, you have a counterfeit. Shine an ultraviolet light on the note, and a hidden world explodes into view. The invisible security fibers scattered throughout the cotton paper glow bright red, yellow, and blue. Parts of the design printed with invisible fluorescent ink suddenly become visible. It is like a secret constellation that only the light can reveal. The final printing stage applies unique serial numbers. A letterpress unit stamps each note with its own identity, a combination of Thai prefix characters and Arabic numerals. Every single note is tracked in a database. Then a clear, protective coating is applied to both sides, sealing everything in and dramatically increasing durability. The average Thai banknote can survive for years in circulation. Before any note can leave, it must pass an army of quality checks. High-speed cameras scan every single sheet, verifying every security feature and serial number. If a single note is imperfect, a tiny inkjet marker automatically stamps it for rejection. Perfect sheets move to the guillotine cutters, where massive, razor-sharp blades slice them into individual notes for the very first time. Then high-speed counting machines stack the notes into bundles of 100, and 10 bundles become a brick worth 1 million baht. These bricks are loaded into secure, tamper-evident cases under armed escort to the Bank of Thailand's vaults. An official stamps a ledger, and the notes formally enter the national currency supply. From there, they go to commercial banks across the country. A Thai citizen walks up to a bank counter and receives a crisp, new banknote from a teller. The long journey ends, and a new one begins. A life in circulation, moving from a taxi driver to a street food vendor, from a bustling night market to a parent buying a gift for a child. For the public, the Bank of Thailand has made authentication simple. Feel, look, and tilt.
There you are นะครับ
Thank you กันนี้ค่ะ
Thank you ค่ะ Have a nice one
Have a good day